CORZ, a stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm answering it in this brief 1-minute video. I'm the only guy that's done 40,000 videos and documented them all. I mean, well, man, CORZ Scientific, it's already $10, and I'm here to tell you that I'm looking to take it further up. The main factor about this is because we shift above here, and coming in on Tuesday tomorrow, intraday trades are going to be biased on that long side, you know. So how is that going to look like? Well, I'm going to mark up the top. I do have my demand zone here, and only if I see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of a double break, then only then I'm buying. Other than that, forcing these buys, it's not going to happen, mate. So if you want to learn how I'm making 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails without indicators, that is. And you can see here I have those previous receipts on this as well in the Discord. So no forcing, no nothing. Clear, simple, upfront. Click the first link in the description for free insights.